for alligator, snapping with a grin, swimming in the river where adventures begin. B is for bear, big, strong, and sweet, lumbering through the forest on great big feet.
C is for cat, curled up in the sun, purring softly when the day is done.
D is for dolphin, dancing in the sea, jumping over waves so playfully.
E is for elephant, gentle and grand, trumpeting loudly across the land.
F is for fox with a fluffy tail, sneaking through the woods on a moonlit trail.
G is for giraffe, tall and bright, reaching for leaves with all its might.
H is for hippo, happy as can be, splashing in the water joyfully.
I is for iguana, green and cool, basking in the sunshine like it owns the pool.
J is for jellyfish, drifting with ease, glowing in the ocean like magic in the seas.
K is for koala, cozy in a tree, nibbling eucalyptus happily. L is for lion, king of the land, roaring proudly, mighty and grand.
M is for monkey, swinging around, laughing as it jumps from ground to ground.
N is for newt, tiny and bright, crawling by the water with all its might.
O is for owl, wise and neat, hooting in the night from a high tree seat.
P is for penguin, waddling all day, sliding on the ice in a fun, cool way.
Q is for quail, quick on its feet, running through the grass with a rhythmic beat.
R is for rabbit, hopping along, nose twitching fast as it hums a song.
S is for snake, silent and sleek, slithering softly with a little sneak.
T is for tiger with stripes so bright, stalking through the jungle in the warm sunlight.
U is for unicorn fish, colorful and bright, swimming through the coral with sparkling light.
V is for vulture, soaring up high, circling the mountains in the open sky.
W is for whale, big and blue, singing ocean songs as it swims through.
X is for X-ray, tetra, shiny and small, a see-through fish that glows for all.
Y is for yak, fluffy and strong, climbing up mountains all day long.
Z is for zebra, striped black and white, galloping freely, such a lovely sight.